Hello, beautiful people. So, I'm here to talk about translation, how to translate any document, your book, and to any language of your choice. Okay. So, here, you can decide to. I already have a document. Named chapter one. So, this is the whole of it. Okay. So, I can copy this whole document and paste here, which is what you have. Now you have a test where you just copy and paste short text and then it translates and you pick it out. Now you also have image, you have documents where you upload a full document. I am going to teach you how to do this. And you have the website, okay? And so you also have a choice of, clicking on the drop down to pick any country or language of your choice. And the simple thing is when you just touch it, let's say this is Italian. When you touch it, everything automatically translates within split of seconds. Okay. Then you just copy your document and then paste it wherever you wish to. And so you can also change languages here. Maybe you want to translate from German to Italian. It's also here. All right. So, but our primary concern is the English to another language. All right. So, any language of your choice you can pick. You want to translate to Igbo. This is it in Igbo. You want to translate in Yoruba, Swahili. You want to translate in Kanuri. You want to translate in Arabic. This is it. This is the Arabic. All right. So this is Arabic. All right. So these words doesn't have any direct translations in Arabic. So this is why it's like this. Okay. So you want to translate Chinese language. You have this is Chinese language. All right. So you can actually write anything you want to do and translate to Chinese or any language of your choice. All right, so let's look at the document, which is the main sole purpose why we are here. Okay, now you can actually click. You've saved your document just like I've done here. Save my document. You can click on browse and pick the document anywhere from anywhere it is. Then also you can drag and drop, which is what I'm going to be doing here, trying to protect some of my files. So drag and drop it here, which will also work. All right. All right. So I've dragged and dropped it. So what I just need to do is to touch translate. Taking from English to French. Remember, any language of your choice you can. So now is to download it. You click on download and everything will be downloaded. So I'm going to press pause and then come back again. Thank you. Remember, it is to download and that is all. I just want to properly send this to where my files will not be exposed. All right. Thank you. All right. So let's take it. Don't forget, this is it. These are our translation. We did French translation. So here is it, just very simple. The whole document is intact and all that. All right. So this is the English. We have the English version of it. Okay, this is the English version, and this is the French version. So, but you can also save these and convert it to document to PDF document even from Word. All right, it's possible. All right, so you can then save and put it the way you want to. All right. That's just it. And that will be all for now. Now, mind you, if you have heavy images, pictures, if you have pictures, heavy pictures, if the pictures are more, it will not translate it. All right, it will not translate it. You can also compress as PDF and then translate, but one thing you have to know, it will have a watermark on it showing that it was translated by Google engine. All right, and of course you don't want that. So if you have images, I'll just say you reduce the images or remove the images, translate, and after translating you can begin attaching the images again. All right, then there's another way you can actually do this translation, which I'm going to show to you. Hold on. So another way to do this, it's inside Google Docs. All right, Google Docs. So let's say we'll get something out from Google Docs. Click on Docs. Is it Docs now? Sorry. Let's say you did not write on Google Docs, but then you finished it on Word document. Okay, and you need to have your work here on Google Drive. So let's save your work. Let's save the work on Drive. Let's save it on Drive. Go back, drag this and drop it here. Let me create a folder. New folder. Translation. I'm just taking it slow because of the newbies, you understand? Not rushing it. All right, so open this folder. It's good to have your work detailed like this when you start yours. So I'll drop it. So I've dropped the Word document. The Word document is what I dropped here. So it's done already. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. This is it. So let's say I want to open this. Click on these three dotted lines. I'm not downloading it. So open with Google Docs. You see? Open with Google Docs. Excuse me. Open with Google Docs. And here it has opened with Google Docs. All right. It has opened with Google Docs. So I don't need to take the tool. Open with Google Docs. So, but there's an issue. Let's check, navigate around this whole thing. Tools. Usually, I should be able to translate. No translation, no translation, no translation. Why? Because it is not a Google Docs file or document. All right. So we are going to convert this to a Google Docs file. So you click on File, then say Save as Google Docs. All right. So another tab will open. It has automatically become a Google Docs file, no longer a Word document file. You can say Docs file, where we cannot do much. No format, no some formatting features are not here. We can't even translate this. So right, this is it. Everything is on Google Docs file now, as you can see. Everything is Google Docs file. So let's look at this tool for translation. So you come to translate document from tool, you say translate document. So from here, if you don't have page numbers, you can even add page numbers. Okay, you can add page numbers. can go to insert, right? Page number, and then choose what you want. If you want it to begin from the first page or not. If you want it to be from the top, fine. The bottom, the footer, the header. So let's see, we'll have two documents here. So let's just cover the two. Okay, so it is done. Just click outside of it then. All right, so we'll have one and two. Forget it. This document came with this, so let's we can remove it or take it to this angle. All right, so it is done and dusted. So page one and page two, as you can see. If you also want to check up for the word count, you click on tools and you say word count. All right, so automatically while working, the word count will be displayed. So you see, I have 300 words. Okay, so 300 words of total. All right, so let's go for formation. So choose, let's go for, you can do a whole lot with this Google Docs, but actually not really for massive uh, uh, words counts. Okay, so for short books is possible, but I still prefer to use Word document. But this is also good. I do books with this too. All right. Some people use it for cookbooks. I give them kudos. All right. So translate documents. I'm not here to teach you this. Oh, let's look at what the language. So let's say you're doing German, right? Type G. Just type the first letter of the letter you want to translate it to. Then this is German. Click on it. You can call it, give it a name. Google, we call it translated copy of chapter one. So I can just call it the name of my document. Let's say this is chapter one. I'll call it chapter one German. So giving it the name of my title, all right, the title of my book. That's what I do. If my book is if my book is cookbook, diabetes cookbook. So I call it diabetes cookbook German. All right, so translate. It will open another tab again. This is it, leaving the English version. So this is everything. All right, we'll have everything. And then when you're done, you can come to file, download. You can then choose to download PDF, Microsoft Word, open document format, plain text, web page, EPUB. So you can download EPUB straight and then publish on Amazon or Kobo directly. Or you can also do PDF. So this is the PDF. Um, this is the PDF. So I'll save it. It's done already. So you see. So it is a complete book. Let me put it on 2 pages. Say is a complete book now. Is a pure translation. It's looking very awesome. Everything fully intact. All right, everything fully intact. If you have heavy images, like I said, remove the images, then do your translations and later you fixing your images. So this is very awesome, very awesome. So if your works after translating, you find out that it is scattered, see find a way to arrange it. So this is so loving. All right. Okay, so that's the end of this class, and I believe you have learned something good and awesome. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share, and also comment. Show me love. Thank you. And if you want me to do any other video for you, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to do that for you. God bless you in Jesus' name. Bye bye. I wish you all the best.